In this video, I will help you create your first giveaway in Kingsumo so you can start generating tons of leads for your business. Let's go! Kingsumo is a platform that helps you create viral giveaways so you can grow your audience and get more leads quickly and effectively without breaking the bank. First, let's create a Kingsumo account. Open a web browser and navigate to kingsumo.com. Registering for an account is so easy. Just enter your valid email address here. Then select Buy Now if you are ready to purchase a pro license, or select Try for free. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will take a look at all the pro features unlocked. After registration, you will want to verify your account by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. This is important because unless your Kingsumo account is verified, your giveaways would not launch. Now let's log into kingsumo.com. This is your Kingsumo Dashboard. Here you will see your giveaways and their corresponding stats. Under Actions, you will be able to promote, edit, view, or delete your giveaways. The contestants column here will take you to the entrants you have collected so far and their details. You can delete a contestant, resend their confirmation email, or download the entire database in a CSV file. Let me walk you through on how to set up a giveaway. Click on New Giveaway. The first section is the giveaway information. Give your giveaway a great title. Add a description to the giveaway. You may talk about the details of the prize or any other important information here. Be sure to add some formatting to your text for visual appeal. Set the start and end dates of your giveaway. You will also have the option to set the time it starts and ends. This sets the countdown timer, which I will show you later in the video. The awarded at date is the date when you want to draw your winner. Set the number of winners here. This will be shown on the giveaway page and will also tell Kingsumo how many winners to electronically draw when your contest is concluded. Select the time zone of your giveaway. Tell the visitors who you are and your website. People tend to respond more positively to giveaways that are authentic and trustworthy. Tell your visitors what the price is and its value. Import images. The recommended image size is 677 pixels by 331 pixels or its equivalent scale. Save a region of about 590 pixels by 250 pixels or its equivalent scale that's centered on the image dimension. I'm including a template in the description box that you can download as a guide. Add as many images as you like, but make sure that your images are high-resolution web-safe files to avoid slow page loading times. These images will be used in the carousel that appears at the head of your giveaway. Kingsumo requires an email address from your entrants by default. Optionally, you can require your entrant's name and phone number if you check the tick box here. This is a pro feature. Moving on to the sharing settings. This is where you could give additional entries if they shared your giveaway on their social media like Twitter, Facebook, Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or if they share your giveaway via email. Enter the default text for the social media post here. This is what you want to display when your giveaway is shared on social media. Add some hashtags for increased visibility. Each share is equivalent to 3 entries. Up next, your bonus entries. Toggle the drop-down menu for additional options for entrants to increase their entries. Entrants will get bonus entries if they like your Facebook page, follow you on Instagram or Twitter, subscribe to your YouTube channel, or subscribe to your podcast site. For Instagram and Twitter, remember to add your username without the @ symbol. You have the option to set the number of entries to award for these tasks. Other bonus entries include clicking on a button daily. Your entrants will be awarded entries if they go back to your giveaway page every 24 hours and click on the daily entry button as long as the giveaway is still on. You can also give them the option to visit your website and by watching a video. To remove a bonus entry, simply click on the trash icon next to the bonus entry. Next is integrations. This section is enabled if you have set this up in your account settings. Let's assume that you have integrated SendFox, MailChimp, Zapier, and ConvertKit. Toggle the drop-down menu to select the segment or list you wish your entrance to be pushed into in SendFox, MailChimp, or ConvertKit. Under Zapier, you can select whether to enable or disable Zapier. Now for the rules and terms. Check the tick box here if you would like to use the default rules and terms provided. And if you have a pro account, you can edit the rules yourself by unchecking Use Default Rules. You can check this tick box if you would like to require entrants to consent to GDPR. Click Save. And that's it. Your giveaway should be ready to launch. Let me show you what we have created so far. This is what your giveaway looks like. After entering, this is what your entrants will see. Now, it's time to promote your giveaway by going back to your dashboard and clicking Promote. Here you will be shown several options to promote your giveaway. Select one or select them all. And that concludes our video. For more information, email us at support@kingsumo.com or ping us on social media. Links can be found in the description box below. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.